Hi everyone. Welcome to Information Technology channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you, or show you of how to simply use this Samsung washing machine, actual dual wash. Top load washer 9.0 kilogram. So here's the Samsung washing machine, actual dual wash. In Wobble Technology. Top load washer 9.0 kilogram. Here's the control panel. In the water level, you can adjust it according to the cycle. You can change the level manually. But it's okay to set up this up to level 4 or 5. On the active dual wash button, 2 options is available. The water save and drain option. In this wash button, just press this start washing, or you can also adjust the wash time between 6 and 30 minutes. In this rinse option, just press it to run the cycle, or you can also change the rinse count up to 5 times. In the power spin option, you can change the spinning time here. For me, I always set up my spin cycle into 2 to 5 minutes. I'm concerned also on our electricity bill. Here's the power button option. Just press it once to turn on. To turn it off, just press it twice. Here's the start and pause button. Just press it to start or pause the cycle. There are 6 washing method options. The first one is for fuzzy. Quick for soap, for jeans, for blanket, for delicate, or for eco tub clean. Here's the warning notice. Just pause this video if you want to read this. And also I made a personalized push cart for my washing machine. Too easy to move, or hassle-free wherever I want to put it. You can also make for your washing machine. When you open the door, you can see here the detergent magic dispenser and fabric softener. You can wash it first, before you put detergent and fabric softener right here. You can also see here the washing machine tub, and the magic filter. This magic filter effectively gathers the lint, fluff and article that come out of your clothes, to make your laundry stays cleaner, while protecting your drainage from getting clogged up. And it's easy to clean. You can clean it before, or after your laundry. Now, let's position the drain hose. Just press and hold down the joint ring, and insert it into the drain hose. Insert the drain hose into the drain outlet. Make sure to connect them properly using the joint ring. Once you connected it, the drain hose is extensible. Adjust the length of the drain hose as needed. You may now plug in your washing machine into power outlet. This active dual wash system includes a sink for convenient place to hand wash delicate items and pre-treat heavily soiled clothes. Just press the water jet starts and stops button right here. You may now put your detergent soap and fabric softener. Now, let's close the door and let's power on. If your laundry is jeans, just press the jeans button options. If your laundry is blanket, just press the blanket button option. If your laundry is delicates to wash, just press the delicates button option. If your laundry you want to soak it first, just press the soak button option. If your laundry you want to wash it quickly, just press the quick button option. This is the commonly used option. A fuzzy option, it's automatically determined wash load quantity in machine. Also the washing machine adjusts the water, detergent intake and wash cycle. For this video, I'm gonna choose quick option. Then press the start button to start it. Once you click the start button, the washing machine will automatically set up the water level, wash time, how many rinse, and the power spin. But you can change it. If you want to change something here, just press the pause button first. Or if you want to add one more clothes laundry, just press the pause button, and you may now put it now inside. Then press the start button again. Always remember, friends, if you want to change something here or you want to add something, always press the pause button. That's it for this video, friends. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.